Closer Francisco Rodriguez agrees to a plea deal today that will keep him out of jail. New York One's Roger Clark was in the courthouse in Queens for K-Rod's plea. He joins us now with more. Roger.
Well, Cheryl, that's right. Indeed, it was a plea agreement between the district attorney's office and the defense attorney for 28-year-old Francisco Rodriguez, otherwise known as, of course, K-Rod to Mets and baseball fans. The closer, and one time he was considered somebody that the Mets were looking forward to having on the team, and last year ran into all of this trouble. Now, this happened back on August 11, 2010, and he has pled guilty to attacking his girlfriend and ex-girlfriend's father at Citi Field last August, pleading guilty to attempted assault and also 2 counts of disorderly conduct in the case where he repeatedly punched 53-year-old Carlos Pena in the face. Now, the Mets suspended him for 2 games, then he sat out the rest of the season with an injured thumb, and that thumb entry coming from the altercation. We got a chance to speak with both sides in this case, attorneys for Rodriguez and the DA, and both said they were content with the agreement.
We worked out an arrangement where Mr. Rodriguez continued to play baseball. He can take part in programs that will help him better himself and position him to do really well, both personally and professionally, next year.
Mr. Rodriguez has acknowledged that he has an anger management problem, that he's prepared to address the issue for the sake of his family and himself, and that he's going to fully comply with the terms and conditions of the agreement. And I think it's the right disposition for this case.
And what do the Mets have to say about this? Well, they say, we are pleased that Francisco has accepted responsibility for his actions. We're encouraged that he will continue to undergo therapy and is committed to taking steps to improving himself. So we told you what he's not going to get, that is jail time, but what he does have to do is take anger management classes. There'll be 52 sessions. 14 of those will be in Venezuela, where he's playing winter baseball right now. Another 14 in Port St. Lucie, Florida, once the Mets get to spring training. And then another 24 once here in New York City once the Mets start the baseball season. He also has to pay more than $14,000 in medical expenses to Carlos Pena, $1,000 in fines, and there is a 2-year order of protection that he must stay away from both Carlos Pena and from his ex-girlfriend Diana, or else he can spend up to 120 days in jail if he violates any of those parts of this agreement. That's the story from here in Queens. I'm Roger Clark. Cheryl, back to you.
Roger, thank you.